Alright, welcome back guys. My name is Daryl, and today I'm going to show you guys how to back up or clone or even migrate your website to another domain. So in this tutorial, I'm going to take this website and I'm going to clone it onto this empty domain. Now this website has a lot of images, it has a lot of text and all this stuff, so I'm going to take all this stuff and bring it onto another domain. And let's be honest, backups are probably one of the most important things in WordPress. I mean, I know when you guys build your website and stuff, you guys kind of get creative and you guys kind of start messing with padding or whatever, and next thing you know, your site's a mess, and you're like, I wish I can restart. So with this plugin, you guys can do it. So the plugin you guys will need is a plugin called WP All-in-One Migration. This will basically take this website that we have right here, clone it and back it up and bring it onto another domain. And it's really simple to use this plugin, and it has tons of really good positive reviews about the plugin. Another thing I like about this plugin, guys, is that it also takes the databases. A lot of plugins do not do that, but the WP All-in-One Migration, All-in-One WP Migration does, all right? So let me show you guys how to use it. It's pretty simple. So right here I have my website, right? With this girl on it, and she's having a bad day, it looks like. So right here we have my plugin. Now if you guys need to find it, just go to plugins and go to add new and just type it in, all-in-one WP migration. But let's see if this works. Let's see if migration just works. Let's see, there it is. So this is the one you need right here, all-in-one WP migration. Okay. Now once you activate it, you guys get this little thing right here. So right here, I'm gonna go to export. Now you can also export this to a backup. So what that means is you can actually export it to a little folder, and that will be your backups. But for right now, we're just going to export this, and I'll talk more about backups a little bit later. But right here, I'm gonna click on this. Now this is for your admin, but we don't need to put anything here. Okay, we don't need to put anything at all. So you can just kind of skip this over. You don't need it. And then right here, I'm gonna go to export to, and I'm gonna go to file. Now it's preparing to export. So right here, the text and another text, it's for your admin if you want to change it and stuff like that, but I do not. So guys, this could take a while depending on your server. So if you guys are using those really crappy free hosting, I hope you aren't, but if you are, it could take a year. But no, I'm just kidding. It'll take a while, but it's actually pretty fast. All right, so my file has downloaded. So right here, I'm gonna go to download my website. All right, so this is my website. So this is basically a full backup of the website. So right here, I'm gonna go to close. So let's go over here, and now we're gonna do the import option over here on this domain right here. So let's go to dashboard, plugins, add new, and I'm going to add this plugin. All right, I'm gonna go and activate it. All right, so now we have the option right here. I'm gonna go to import and import from. Now guys, if your website is larger than 512 megabytes, you will have to get the pro version. So there is a small drawback, but for those of you who have just a small quick website, this will be perfect for you. Also for those of you who have a really a 50 gig website, they do handle that, but you have to get their pro version. So right here, I'm gonna go to import from file, and then simply go ahead and go to downloads and find that file. So this one is, all right here, and then go to open. And now this could take some time. So it's basically migrating everything from that other website onto this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of let this video, I'm gonna pause it really quick, and when I'm done, we'll come back to it. I'll let you know how long it takes, don't worry. All right, so that took about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and it gave us this little notice right here. So this is just basically telling you, look, it's going to overwrite everything on this domain to what you wanted to import. So I'm gonna say, all right, go ahead and proceed. All right, so it's importing, and again, this might take a little bit of time depending on your server. All right, it has finished. Let's test this out. So there is one important thing that we need to do before we go to our website, and that is the permalink settings. So click on the permalink settings, go ahead and log in with your old credentials on your older website, or the one that we migrated from. And now right here, I want you to click on save twice. So click on it once. All right, saving, and save again. just in case. Just do it twice. Trust me. All right, so we've done that, and I'm gonna go to visit site, and voila, it took the logo, it took all of everything. Now let's go ahead and test this out, guys. Let's go ahead and scroll down right here, and all the padding's correct, the margin's correct, the CSS is correct, the pages, the menu, everything is identical to how we brought it or how I made it. Actually, this is it's a layout from Divi. I didn't make this. So it's just for tutorial purposes. So going back over here, you guys can see if I can compare and contrast websites. Like for example, if I both go to home, they're identical. So there is no difference. It's a complete copy of the other domain. All right. So I think that's helpful. All right. Now for also the backups, you guys can make a backup instead of doing import export. And from what I've been told from the developer team, you guys can just basically like export a copy onto your backups, or you can just go ahead and create a backup. Once you do create a backup, however, if you guys want to use the backup, you're gonna go to restore right here. Okay, so you can always create a backup right here, or you can export it onto your backups, whatever one you wanna do. But either way, it produces the same exact result. So don't get like confused on it. I mean, there's 3 options. And for those of you watching this, you're pretty fluent with WordPress, right? I hope so. So that's about it, guys. Also, they have other products. So they have like, Google Drive extensions, Amazon, URL extensions. So, if you want to check out their other products, you guys can go to their websites and, check them out, see if they're for you or not. If not, that's okay. But the all-in-one migration plugin it's pretty good, guys. I mean, you can always tell from the reviews in the community because bad products usually people find out about it and they like slander them on WordPress.org like, oh, this is crap. But these guys create a really good product, and if you guys do have a really large website, you guys can always get the unlimited version, and this is basically unlimited, and it's for $70, dude. And honestly, how much time is it going to take you to do it yourself or hire a developer? It would take, a long time. And with these guys, you pay $70 and bam, it's done right away, and you can do it within like a few minutes. So it's pretty amazing what they've done. So hats off to ServeMask. Okay, so that's about it, guys, for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you guys want to start cloning your websites and start migrating and backing up, that is the plugin to do it. All right, so make sure to like this video. And I got a new Divi tutorial coming out soon. So that's a little bonus feature. Maybe sometime in January I'll release it because I'm kind of working on some layouts and the design of it. So yeah, anyways, guys, see you guys later.